Is your Xumo Streambox remote not responding? Don't worry, it's a common issue. The most frequent culprit is low batteries. Replace them with fresh AAA alkaline batteries, ensuring they meet the 1.5-volt spec. Clean the battery contacts inside the remote to remove any corrosion that might be causing the problem. If new batteries don't solve it, the problem is likely Bluetooth pairing. The Xumo remote connects via Bluetooth Low Energy. Interference or a system glitch can cause it to unpair. A quick repair usually fixes this. To repair your Xumo remote, first make sure your Xumo Streambox is powered on. Then, grab your remote and press and hold both the home and back buttons simultaneously for about 5 seconds. You should see the LED indicator light on the remote begin to blink, indicating it's in pairing mode. Next, navigate to the Streambox's settings using another remote or the Xumo app if possible. Go to Settings, then Remotes and Accessories, and select Pair New Remote. Follow the on-screen prompts. This process usually takes about 1 to 2 minutes. If it still doesn't work, try restarting your Xumo Streambox by unplugging it for 30 seconds before trying the pairing process again.